Hello and welcome back. Let's get started with the next video. In this video, we will be creating a new tables and database. As I have created a new database named maintenance by right clicking here and new database. And let me show you new database. Here you will type a database name and click OK. A database will be created. So to create a new table, you will click expand the maintenance database and click on the table and new table, and here we will be creating a new tables. So let's open our files, and you see from the previous file I have saved all of my dimension tables, which is named dim country, dim message unit, dim maintenance person, dim state name, and these are our main file in which we have all the transactional records. So let's open them side by side so that we can read from our file and open with the notepad. And here we have dim asset sorry asset unit, asset unit id, and asset unit name, and this will be int, will be nvarchar, sorry, nvarchar. Let's save our table with the name dim asset unit. Click OK, and again create a new table, and this time will be dim country, and country id, and COUN country name will be int and varchar, and make this primary key. Control set dim country. Okay, so refresh it, and yes, we have. But let's click on the design of this table and make this primary key and save this one. We haven't done this in our previous. Then open this with notepad and new table dim maintenance son, sorry, the spelling was wrong, maintenance person id, and let's call it person name. Actually write it complete, so avoid the discard, to avoid the error. We need to rename this table because I have collected here dim maintenance person. Click OK. Pause this one, and last one is the state. Okay. Let it open here, no problem. New table, state, state ID, state name, and I think I have made a mistake in the previous table. So let's save it. Dim states. Okay, and look for the design of this table. Yes, here we need a hint, and this one is in varchar. Data types are very important when you are working with the ETL or data engineering workflow. So for now, our design is complete. We will move to the next part of creating and loading the data into these tables. But first we need to create one more table, that is a fact table. So to create a fact table, we will right click and click on table and open the maintenance file here, and here we will be getting asset number, asset name, asset unit, amount, country name, activity, date, state name, maintenance, person name. So this we will be making int and making this primary. This will varchar money, varchar date, varchar. So now we will save this table and we will name it fact maintenance. Click OK, and all our tables are now created. So now we will go into Visual Studio and create a new project. We will be searching SSIS and click next. We'll name it let's name it schema create. Oh, now project is created. So now we will add files into our project, the elements into our project, and move forward. But before that we need to modify our this table a bit, because this is a foreign key here. State name is also will be a foreign key from main table. This person name will be a foreign key from our main table, and asset unit will be a foreign key from our dimension table. So now save this. So now we need to connect this table with the dimension table using this foreign key to the fact table. Let's click on the new database diagram, click yes, and add all these tables. Yes, and they are all added. So I will expand it. This is type of schema, and I will explain it, the two different schemas which we have worked before, explained before. So the state ID will be connected to state name. So here on the maintenance table, we have made an error, which is asset unit name. Foreign key was there, but in fact it should be id and it should be int, because in the design we will be connecting with the asset unit id, and same with country id, state id, and maintenance person id. uh, Change these fields to int, and with the id change the name to id, state name to state id, country name to country id, asset unit name to asset unit id, maintenance person name to maintenance person id, and change its data type to int to avoid the error. This is what we have just created is a star schema design. Okay guys, so in star schema, at the center we have our fact table, and our dimension tables are all connected with it. But in the real time scenario, it's always better to use a dimension table for your dates also, because we have activity date here. So if we add a date table from, let's say, 2001 to onward 2050, we will add a date table here, so that our queries will be uh, can be done in time intelligent functions also. So this is a star schema design. But if, let's say, this asset is sorry, this country is connected with the states. So if we have a column here, states, state name with the same company, oh sorry, the country, then if we connect these two tables together also, that will be a snowflake design. So let's say we will connect from here to here, that will convert this star schema into a snowflake. That is all about designing the tables and connecting them. But before closing anything, you need to save this. So this is star schema design for uh, maintenance. Oh, star schema maintenance. That's it. Maintenance. Click. Okay. It is a very important step. You need to save this diagram. Otherwise, it will be discarded. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, for in which we will be working on our SSIS project to load the data into these tables. Thank you.